How to find account actions settings on Android or iOS phone. First open a VK and then click on your profile here and top corner, and once you're here click these 3 points and then click edit profile, and now click security and then scroll down again, and here you will find account actions, and that's it. Here you can manage your account. You can delete your VKID account, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.